New Zealand, a beautiful little country that manages to waste over 120,000 tonnes of food each year. The main problem driving all of this wastage is restaurants and shops throwing away their leftover or unwanted food rather than reusing or redistributing it. It is a result of food not being used by its expiration date and being thrown away. It is unsold food at the end of each day that is discarded. Perfectly edible food is thrown away if it doesn't meet a certain beauty standard, common with fresh produce, as well as wrongly ordered food getting sent back to the kitchen and straight to the bin. It causes massive amounts of waste each year, creating smelling dumping sites and methane emissions contributing to climate change. 1 in 9 people in the world suffer from hunger, and nearly $2 billion is thrown away each year. Our app will target Auckland in helping anyone struggling to get food. It will reduce the methane emissions from food waste and decrease money wasted. If left untreated, food wastage could lead to a shortage of food, driving up imports and costs. It will be an economic drain and contribute to climate change in the long run. It affects the zero hunger, responsible production and consumption, and climate change goals proposed by the UN. Our app Saucer will work to improve the process of restaurants and shops donating food to food drives and volunteer centres by making it easy for any retailer to participate without having to dedicate a staff member to it, which is cited as the biggest reason why shops don't donate their unwanted food. It is made simple by easy prompts appearing on the screen, and with the click of a button, you can input both the type of food, whether it is produce, meat, ingredients, and so on, and also how much food you are donating. It has an in-app communication function which automatically sends a message to the volunteer centre that a donation is ready, and if being dropped off, a navigation feature is built into the app helping the employee get there without hassle. A barcode on the donor screen is scanned by the centre as security to ensure the food has been received. Our app has a reward functionality, tracking the progress of each store, sending alerts once you reach milestones, and encouraging participation. Our app will reduce food wastage by increasing the number of food donors. We make it easy and efficient with communication, navigation, and security functions, and offer incentive through reward. This adds value to the donation process by creating information technology that makes donating more appealing to food retailers and encouraging active participation. Our KPI will measure the success of our app by asking the volunteer organisations collecting and distributing the donated food how many stores are donating food daily. Another KPI we could use would be how much food is being donated daily. This will enable us to address the real problem. It gives competitive advantage to an organisation by providing innovative information technology with benefits enhancing the experience of the supplier and of the organisation itself.